I wanted to make a quick video showing an addition that I made to my Cobra Class 26 leather sewing machine. The machine comes with a reverse lever that allows you to sew backwards, creating a back stitch so that your stitch lines don't come unraveled on the ends. Now, while this is a great feature of this machine, it's really awkward to try to engage the reverse lever that's over on this side of the machine with your elbow while you're using both hands, one to guide your piece and one to hold your thread ends. I saw others that had installed a foot pedal to engage the lever and decided I'd create my own, and wanted to show you my installation. First, I created the pedal, and it's just a piece of wood that I attached to a hinge with a couple of screws, and then I used a couple of C-clamps to secure the hinge and pedal to the base of the machine. Now, as you can see here, at the top of the pedal is a tab that I tied one end of a piece of paracord using a slip knot that makes the length of the cord adjustable, and the cord travels up to a couple of rollers that I got off of Amazon, and I put a link in the description to where you can buy these. Another C-clamp and a piece of metal, a flat piece of metal, are used to secure the rollers to the tabletop. The cord then continues up to the lever where it's connected via a leather piece that I installed a grommet in, and using the C-clamps and the leather piece makes the whole assembly removable and leaves the basic machine unaltered. As you can see here, the beauty of this system is you can engage the reverse lever while holding your thread tails, as well as use your other hand to guide the piece you're working on. It's an easy mod and adds a ton of function to your machine. Now, I hope you enjoy this video, and please take a second to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps me grow, and I'd appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.